Hello again. So we're going to continue on the Jose and Dora Hernandez return. We left off with the completion of the basic information by adding Adela as the dependent. So now if we click continue, okay, so come back here in the basic information main menu. If you want to add anything, if we click continue again, that will take us to income, just like the week one return. So for the Jose and Dora, there are two W-2s. Each one of them has one. And then there's also a 1099 INT. So we're going to go into the W-2. And it's a standard W-2. Who is the employee? It's very important that you select the right one because the information will flow, especially the calculation of the Social Security and Medicare taxes. If the person makes more than a threshold, then it would have an impact. Okay, so it's important that you select the correct person. And EIN, again, we're going to input 1 through 9. And then down on wages. So for Jose, it's 45,800. So again, the 3 and 5 are defaulted with the same wages. It's over the threshold. Generally, the Social Security wages might change because if it's over the threshold, then certain portion is not applicable to the tax. Otherwise, Medicare wages and regular wages are generally going to be the same. Unless this person has deferral to retirement 401k, then this wage amount will be different because the retirement deferral is not subject to income tax withholdings, but it's still subject to SS and then Medicare as well. All right, so the federal tax withholding for Jose is 4038. Okay, so this is all the information we have. So we can come up here and save and enter another because we want to enter Dora's. So for Dora, this one, we're going to check this box, Dora. And the employer information, we're just going to put the same. And then so for Dora, her wages is 31,000, her withholdings 2290. I want you guys to look at this right here. As we continue out of here, you see right here it's calculating, right? So the refund changed after this is inputted. All right, so we're gonna continue. And now we're gonna input the 1099, either DIV or INT or OID all goes in here. So we're gonna click here and interest income. So right now it's federal is at 2425. Let's see what happens after we input this. So they have from Citibank $300. So Citibank $300 income. Okay, we'll click continue. See right now it's 2425. You see that because additional income's added, it's 2389 now. And so we have a $300 interest income added. And presidential campaign. So earlier, we didn't input this under basic information here, personal information. That's where the $3 presidential campaign is inputted. So we check these two boxes. So again, for the presidential election campaign fund, it's under personal information. So we can always come back if we need to add or edit something. So click continue. Now, if the return is done, we need to print it, right? So I'm gonna stop right here and then I'll come back and show you how to print.